Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install required dependencies with the next command. The next step is to download the official wazuh installation script with the following command. Grant the execution permission to this script with the next command. Finally, run the wazuh automated installation with the following command. Once installation is finished, you will see the credentials to login into wazuh. Next, go into your web browser and use your server IP address with the next port. You will see the following. You need to log in into the wazuh. After that, wait a few minutes to complete the installation in web browser. Now you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.